was the Kosovo War. We were going to the border of Albania to a town nearby. We were ambushed. My bus was blown up, and I remember being thrown forward. I really didn't know what had happened. I was sitting in the front, and I was able to crawl off of the bus. My head was ringing, everything was in slow motion, and there was a rifle on the ground that had gotten blown out of the bus. I picked it up and ran towards the gunfire. They were shooting at us. All I had a shot on was basically what I could see, which is the rifle shooting at me. And when I got done, I was still there. Shortly after that, a bunch of the guys had caught up to me, and they're like, "What did you do?" And I'm like, "What are you doing here?" I thought I was dead. And I just did what I figured, I'll do what I can do, take out who I can take out. I didn't realize I was the only one that got off the bus. That's the hardest one. The rest of them, I've got other times that things happened. I guess after it was all over with, whatever fight we were doing or whatever time I had to pull the trigger, it's more of a relief when it was done. I really wish there was times I could have stopped some of the things that were happening, but I couldn't do it because they would not give me the go-ahead. They would not give me the permission. I had to watch them torture each other. My second trip over there mainly, the Albanians would strap explosives to people and throw them in their shops, blow them up. They didn't care who it was, men, women, children. Even though I had them lined up, I had them in sight, I saw what was going on, they're like, "No, just sit there and report." And that's all I did. That's all I was allowed to do. So that was hard. I didn't think I'd ever come to dislike or hate a group of people until I served there. True ethnic Albanians, I can't say American Albanians, I can't say anybody that's been distance away from the ethnic Albanian population from over there. Lack of a better term, they're Nazis. They still praise Hitler and all of his leaders that he had. So they're not a very nice people.